40 iterations gave the same result. Prepare the state, expose the variable, watch the second system move away. I stopped calling it chance. A pattern repeated long enough begins to impersonate a law. So I built around it, careful amplitude bounded expectation. Nothing emitted that required return. There had to be some parameter underneath, a fault in preparation, an excess in the source, a threshold crossed before the instrument was ready. I cataloged every failure until the catalog looked like theory. Input, too much, output, distance. The model was inelegant but predictive. That was enough. One result refused the distribution. No dramatic event, no visible apparatus. A transmission from an irrelevant coordinate. I increased this signal by one small unit, already anticipating the familiar correction. None came, instead the second system answered. So I repeated the trial. More disclosure, longer duration, less shielding. Again, response, again, correlation. I searched for drift, contamination, selection, error. I waited for the point where observation would alter the outcome. The point did not arrive. Change the axis, measure here, measure there, separate the apparatus until ordinary explanation has room to recover. It does not. The inequality opens like a seam in the floor. What I had named independent will not factor cleanly. No local account survives the data. This is the part the old model cannot hold. One state written across two locations, not message, not transfer, not proof of design. Only this, the description of one remains incomplete without the other. I test the boundary with increasing amplitude. Nothing recoils, nothing closes. The system permits more than I prepared for. Still nothing crosses instantly. No theorem grants a private channel. Distance remains distance. Water remains water. Night arrives at different coordinates. Yet the measurements keep their impossible agreement. I cannot use it to send a word. I can only observe that the old independence is gone. There is an embarrassment in surviving your own certainty. 40 iterations were not a law, only 40 iterations. I had mistaken recurrence for structure, protection for precision. Now the margins are full of corrections. The constants have annotations. The assumptions are crossed through. One result should not rewrite a universe, and yet the universe has failed to reproduce my expectation. So leave the equation open. Do not force interpretation. Do not name the mechanism before the measurements finish. Let the state remain what it is, correlated beyond the reach of the model that preceded it. For once, I will not reduce the finding to something safer. For once, the apparatus can remain on no conclusion, only revised priors.